Hi there, Peter from Vox Singing Academy, and I'm joined here with Emily.
Woo! Hello, my lovelies.
We are here today to give you a very quick update about some exciting new news and a segment that we're going to be releasing very shortly, and it is called Singing Teacher Reacts, and we're going to be reacting to some of the biggest artists and giving you our in-depth opinion about their voice and what makes them great, their positives and their negatives as well too, and how you can become a better teacher and learn from some of your favorite artists. Our first Singing Teacher Reacts will be Sam Smith as well too, so that's going to be released very shortly, and we'll be endeavoring to release at least one a week, possibly in the future too. So if you want us to react to any of your favorite singers, please inbox us and let us know some of your favorite singers or clips, and we will get to as many of them as we possibly can. So super excited. Again, if you want singing lessons, we have studios here in Melbourne. Emily's teaching 7 days a week. And we give online singing lessons, in-studio singing lessons, and we also have the ultimate online singing course. So check us out at voxsingingacademy.com.au and the ultimate online singing course at voxsingingacademy.com. You can get us on all social media as well too, Facebook, Instagram, and to check out what we're doing. Also YouTube as well too for
links in the description.
Yes, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and please let us know your comments when we release our first Singing Teacher Reacts, and we're super excited because we're about to start recording that right now.
Shall we, Peter, give away a free lesson to somebody who recommends us a song, and we do?
No, because everyone's going to be be putting in there. We need to put food on the table. So. We'll be giving a giveaway. We're going to think about it. We need to not go on the fly like that and catch me off the cuff. We will be doing a giveaway as well too. But we'll announce that what we're going to be doing with the giveaway. So we're going to be doing something like that. But let's think about it there, because we give away singing lessons to everyone that puts the Teacher Reacts in there. Because that's
not everybody would pick the best suggestion. So if you let's do that. Let's pick the best recommendation, thoughtful, who you want us to react to, which song, which recording, preferably live, so we can hear how the singer actually sings live. And would be great if you ask a question about the singer and their technique in this song. Yeah, so let's do that.
Okay, boss. You are the deputy principal teacher here at Vox Singing Academy, so we'll let that one go through. So yes, so if we pick out your video, we're gonna name you in the video. We're gonna answer your question, and we will do a Singing Teacher Reacts. So get your requests in, and we are going to sign out to get stuck into our very first one here. Sam Smith, Lay Me Down, live at his house.
It's gonna be awesome.
So it's going to be super excited to do this, and just want to also just say a big thank you to LJ Esquire, who's wanted me to be doing these videos, so sending in a shout out to him, and Emily, who's been wanting to do them for years as well too. So we're finally getting stuck into them, and we'll be doing as many as we can.
All good?
No. Kush, because we're in restrictions here. We're about to do a high five. Okay, guys, have a great day and get typing.
Yes. Talk soon.
Bye-bye.